Light Vietnamese sautéed shrimp for 2 servings. Prep time 25 minutes. A healthy, colorful bowl with brown rice and bright vegetables. 12 ounces of peeled and deveined shrimp. 1 cup of cooked brown rice. 1 medium red bell pepper. 1 medium carrot, peeled. 4 ounces of snow peas. 3 cloves of garlic, peeled. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, peeled and sliced thin. 2 stalks of scallions, trimmed and chopped. 1 tablespoon of low-sodium fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce. 1 small lime, halved for juice. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro. 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Fluff 1 cup of cooked brown rice with a fork and keep it warm. Trim and slice 1 medium red bell pepper into thin strips. Peel and julienne 1 medium carrot into matchstick pieces. Trim 4 ounces of snow peas and remove any strings. Mince 3 cloves of garlic and thinly slice 1 inch of ginger. Pat 12 ounces of shrimp dry with paper towel and season with 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add the shrimp and sauté for 90 seconds per side until just opaque and pink. Remove the shrimp and keep warm. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil if needed and sauté the minced garlic and sliced ginger for 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the red bell pepper strips, julienned carrot, and snow peas and stir fry for 2 minutes until crisp tender. Return the shrimp to the pan, add 1 tablespoon of low-sodium fish sauce and 1 tablespoon of low-sodium soy sauce, and toss for 30 seconds. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and squeeze the juice of 1 small lime over the pan, toss to combine for 15 seconds. Stir in 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro and 2 stalks of chopped scallions and cook for 10 seconds. Taste and adjust seasoning with a small pinch of extra fish sauce if needed, then remove from heat. Serve the sautéed shrimp and vegetables over 1 cup of warm brown rice and finish with a lime wedge. This completes the recipe. Enjoy your meal. If you liked this Vietnamese sautéed shrimp for 2, like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more healthy recipes.